Okay, I am almost 100% certain I will be done for the day. I don't want to deal with this anymore. Ended up with 3,200. However, I seem to jump the gun way too early, way too often. Um, yeah. So I told you to play the extreme um, on Amazon, on Tesla, and here's the extreme. But that's not really the extreme. That's where I got in on a put and got head fake, and so I was managing this whole fiasco, and it was just a lot of whipsaw up down. Yeah, it was a tough play because you don't know what. I mean, there was just a lot of head fake one way or another, and it's just hard to play. Um, so here's the Tesla puts, right? Tesla puts took one loss at 1,000, which probably would have been profitable if I continued to hold it, but I just didn't want to play it anymore. I just went ahead and said, oh, okay, I got enough of this. Not gonna play it. Not gonna see this thing reverse and this become negative 3,000 when I'm up 3,000. Go ahead and just take it. And I know they see your shares. I mean, I am positive they see your shares, and whatever, you try to make the big gains, they will adjust to make you feel the pain pretty much. I mean, it's just like a lot of time it's like, okay, it's time to go. Oh, nope, it didn't go. Why is it not going? And then right when you get out is when it went. Weird. Um, so one thing I can't figure out if they really see your shares or it's just mentality that they know your mentality. They know they're gonna wear you out. They know you don't want to be in holding something um, and potentially lose a shitload of money or lose all your profit. I don't know. The way it's just not when it goes to the extreme. I mean, it's just I don't know, option expiration is a tough play. I'm telling you, it's just tough to play option expiration. I'm gonna have to re-figure out this whole option play because I knew there was an extreme. Like I should have sold calls here. Um, and I was thinking about it, selling the call, but I was afraid of getting stopped out. But obviously, in hindsight, I mean, look at that play right there. Um, I mean, it's option expiration. Everything has been up. So why wouldn't they sell? I mean, the chance of a sell-off is in the afternoon trash is pretty high. And look at it, it just sell, sell, sell. And getting in at technical level on option expiration is a mistake because it's all head fake on option expiration. And even though, yeah, you see some wiggle, um, I mean, this is what 5, 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes, right? 30 minutes of reaction at this 100 EMA. Eventually, they break it to the next level. So they do some smackdown. This is exactly, and this is where you feel the pain. I mean, I was down 3,000 for the day, down 3,000 for the day. Now I added at the right moment, and so I guess I massaged, and eventually I got out because I mean, it is Tesla, by the way, so bias is going to be positive. There's just a lot of bulls on Tesla. So I wasn't worried about, I mean, I was kind of worried because anything can happen on option expiration, but it wasn't like I was caught in the push. I mean, this is caught, if you played it wrong, this is caught in the sell-off. And but the chance of a continued sell-off versus the chance of a continued push is much lower. I mean, Tesla just these names like Tesla, Amazon, they like the push. They like the continued push. So when you get caught on the sell-off, eventually if you hold it, you're probably gonna be right. Now, how right are you depending on where you got in during the sell-off. And now Tesla is doing pretty well, but I'm not gonna play it anymore. It's just not worth it. But I did end the day at 3,200, more of my liking, but didn't play the way I like to play, and I need to work on knowing what I said. I mean, I said play the extreme, and play the extreme would be selling calls here for the extreme, or at least, buying the puts. The chance of a sell-off was pretty high, and I knew that, but I just didn't think it was happen. And the reason I didn't think it happened is it's so strong. Tesla is so strong, but those are all head fakes. When it comes to option expiration, it's a lot of head fakes, a lot of mental warfare where they trick you. I mean, they pushed it in the pre-market. The pre-market was a push. It was a light volume. It was a push like these guys. This a huge push. What is this? A good 50, 60 points. And then pre-market, it gapped up or it was pushed. The difference in that is almost 80 points. So strong, but it's fake strength. The reason why it's fake strength is they gotta get out. They got to get out. Whoever manipulating it's got to get out, and they got out. Boom. Now the next round of buyers got in and pushed it, after it hits this, 2000, 2200, a good number. Always penetrate a little bit, right? This is 2200. Then it penetrates a little bit, and here you can sell the puts if you were patient enough to wait for this big extreme, right? Instead of this first technical level, thinking this is an extreme, that's not an extreme. I mean, it is an extreme on regular day, but it's not an extreme on option expiration. On option expiration, you got to wait for the extreme, and yeah. So I played incorrectly. Really, got to fix this problem I have where I know what the heck I'm doing, but I just get impatient. The patient game is the toughest for me. If I need a remedy that, um, and I would have been up, 5, 6, 7,000 if I remedy it. I just need to fix a little bit because I'm seeing it pretty clearly, but I'm not executing what I'm seeing. Like I'm just not doing what, yeah. So just a little bit more. I need to just keep reviewing my video, revisiting my videos, and understanding what my mentality was at that time and try to fix this mental issue I have and play it correctly. But I am pretty much done for the day unless it hit a real extreme. And we're talking about like above. Maybe I'll take a position at VWAP, selling the calls. Maybe I'll take a position here, or they sell it off and I might take a position at the extreme, like at the real extreme, probably below this level. I might take it. And at where it is right now, it might even be a good thing to buy both calls and puts. Buy both calls and puts because you got a good 30 points of movement potentially. Probably not gonna play it. Yeah, it's just not worth it. I mean, I just know how to make money consistently if I execute correctly. I shouldn't need to gamble on guessing of a 30-point move just to make some more extra money. It's just not. Yeah, I'll think about it a little bit more, and then I'll do another video for the recap for the end of the day, and then for next week. Okay.